Battery box is going to go right back there. Run my cable over to here. My fish finder transducer cord. Transducer. Got a little nav light there. LEDs all along the side. And then here's my little console I'm making. It's got some clips. I'll probably screw them in on either side to hold them steady. And I may put another little something there to kind of sturdy that up. There's my little switch bank with that. Just got a cell phone charger, a little voltage for my battery. Tells me how much voltage I got on my battery. I'll do the trolling motor back over there, I believe, when it's close to the battery. I've got conduit running up front for the lights up here, and all my LED wires go in right there. Here's the green nav light, and then I got some headlamps, and then red LED nav light, and then blue all the way around the side there. And then I've got some LEDs in here as well for you know, for when you're fishing at night, you can't see, just turn the light on, you can tie your hooks and stuff. That's about it. This little thing is going to have my power wires going into the bottom of it. Yep, that's it. Yeah. There's that. I'm gonna have a grounding lug in here somehow. Got a little six gang ground lug. Yep. There's a seat. I'm probably gonna mount the fish finder right here. I don't think I want to put it up here, although it would be more eye level when I'm sitting. And here's the back of the seat. I think I'll put it down here. That way it's more sturdy on the wood, not so high up. But it might be cool right here too. Then I could put a little cutting board right here, cutting bait, or right here maybe. I gotta have some leg room here. So there's that.